We'll guide you through how to disable double-click to install on the App Store on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone. So if I go and open up the App Store, then we go and find an app which I want to go and get. For example, let's say it was this one here. I'll go and press get. It'll then go and give us this pop-up here. And we need to go and confirm the side button and double-click to install. Now, perhaps for some reason you can't go and do this, it's not working, or there's another reason why you don't want to. I'm going to guide you through how you can go and turn this off and disable it. So this is much easier than you probably think, and we can actually go and change it in our settings. So what you need to do here is go and open up the settings on your iPhone, not the App Store. Now what you need to do is go and scroll down. You aren't looking for your App Store settings, that's super key to note. You need to go and scroll down. And we're looking for the option Face ID and passcode. If you can't see the option, it's due to a restriction. So you need to make sure allow changes to Face ID and passcode is enabled in restrictions in screen time. Then once you have it there, you can go and tap on it, enter in your passcode like so. Now what you need to do is you need to come into use Face ID 4. We're getting a double click because it's trying to go and use our Face ID. So you can come into use Face ID 4 and turn off iTunes and App Store. Now you can come out of here and you want to go and return to the App Store like so. And you can then find an app you want to go and do it with. Then we can go and press get, and instead of having to go and double click, you'll go and see we can go and press install like so, and you can then go and enter in your Apple ID password. After you've entered it, go and press confirm, and then it's going to go and install, and you don't need to double click. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.